Hello, my name's Lauren from Stoke Audi, and today we'll be showing you around this stunning brand new Audi Q4 e-tron S-Line. It comes dressed in the gorgeous Mythos black, sure to turn heads when on the road. You have an AC and DC charging access point, as well as an 11 kilowatt onboard charger, making at-home and on-the-go charging more easy and convenient, all while standing on 20-inch alloy wheels with a 5Y spoke design, making a bold statement with every turn. Showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your every day-to-day needs. To the rear, you have the stylish leather upholstery, a centre armrest for those longer journeys, and the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. To the front of the cabin, you have the 4-spoke multifunction steering wheel, the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash, the MMI multimedia display and climate control system. Sink into the driver's seat with the running theme of the leather upholstery, the iconic S embossed logo, and front centre armrest. Behind the wheel, you have the 4-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips and a gear shift paddle for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features in the driver's view, such as a wide view of the navigation map, so no need to take your eyes off the road, connection of your mobile phone device, and a variety of your favourite DAB radio stations. For added safety, the rear view camera helps to manoeuvre in those tight spaces with confidence and ease. The MMI multimedia display. Going into phone apps, for wireless use of Apple CarPlay or Android Auto by connection of the car's Bluetooth, in the car menu, into charging, for those off-peak charging tariffs, Audi Drive Select to choose your preferred driving mode such as dynamic for a more sporty drive or comfort for those longer journeys. Parking aids for front and rear volume settings of low, medium and high to help fit in those tight spaces, and driver assist to give you those pre-warnings on the road ahead. Media to have all your favourite apps stored in one place. Radio to choose from your favourite DAB and FM radio stations. And the navigation map to help you easily find your desired destination. Below, you have the climate control system, so both driver and passenger can set the preferred temperature regardless of the weather outside, with the added luxury of heated seats for those chillier mornings. Finished off with the sleek automatic gearbox, an electric parking brake, 2 USB charging points, and 2 handy cup holders for those morning coffees. This brand new Audi Q4 e-tron is now available and on site. For more information, call our sales team today, who would be more than happy to help. Thank you.